The problem with going in and doing highlights is she is already so bleached in so many areas.
Right.
It would be virtually impossible to not overlap in the slightest bit to get that regrowth in the foil and not get any of the mids and ends. So
Right.
for me, because she wants to go to a more natural look, like I would rather than try to get that gold out and deal with all that mess because her hair is just
Right.
so, it's like cotton candy, I would assume at this point. I would rather see you fill her hair. The Shades EQ, the brand new 10AA would be beautiful. So
Okay.
10AA would fill that in to make it look like an intentional spun gold kind of beigey color. It's going to put a more believable look into those ends. And then I would just make her go longer in between visits to keep
Right.
allowing her natural to fill in so that you can then go in and do it dimensionally in foil. Because I don't believe that people are committed enough to keep up with it. And that's why
Right.
this is why she ended up with this gold banding.